song is going to be an African song. It happens to be a lullaby.
Okay.
It's called Eroye.
Alright.
And this song is from the country Benin, and it's in the language called Minachen.
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 Okay.
So before we begin with the song, I just want to brief the students regarding the lyrics.
Okay.
Along with the lyrics, this song is supposed to be sung with humming. Okay, so it begins with humming and it ends with humming. So I'll just say the words, children just repeat the words after me, okay?
Eroye no kae manahu.
Eroye no kae manahu.
Eroye no kae manahu.
Nino dono de.
Nino dono de.
Anao.
Anao.
Nino dono de.
Nino dono de.
Anao.
Anao.
Napode nao.
Napode nao.
Napode nao.
Napode nao.
Akbela myo nao.
Akbela myo nao.
Soyak be na yoma.
Soyak be na yoma.
Akbela myo nao.
Akbela myo nao.
Soyak be na yoma.
Soyak be na yoma.
Eroye no kae manahu.
Eroye no kae manahu.
Eroye no kae manahu.
Eroye no kae manahu. Eroye no kae manahu. Eroye no kae manahu. Nino dono de. Anao. Napode nao. Akbela myo nao. Soyak be na yoma.
Humming. 3 times. This is a lullaby.
A lullaby.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in the song, Ero means, Ero refers to a name of a child.
Name of a child.
So you can replace Ero with any other name. You can use your own name or your best friend's name and try this song out.
All right.